This is the Spardar Tap Water Purifier Filter, Model 7. As you can see in front of you, these are all the pieces that come inside the box, including a manual. We will show you how you can fit this purifier onto a British trade range kitchen faucet or tap. Now we're left with what you will actually need from the box to get your filter fitted. You've got the two main pieces of the filter in the back. You've got the silver metal connector to the left. To the right of it, you've got the wrench that you will need to tighten your connector. In front of the silver metal connector, you've got a 24mm inner thread connector. And next to it on the right, you've got the 24mm waterproof circle. These 6 items are what you need from the box. Please choose the 24mm inner thread connector and the 24mm waterproof circle. This is one of the British trade range kitchen faucet or taps that you will usually see. On the end here, which is looking a bit worse for wear, is the metal connector that already comes with the faucet. You will need to remove this metal connector first before fixing the water filter. Make sure you have a wrench that you can use that will fit around this to remove it. This is an example of what we used to remove the metal connector. Obviously, there are much better, more appropriate wrenches, but this is what we had in the toolbox, and it still does the job. When you've used your wrench to loosen the metal connector, you can just unscrew with your hand until it comes out of the faucet. What will come out is similar to what you see in front. You will have the metal connector and its plastic and metal mesh filters. These can always be added back onto your tap or faucet later when you're not using the water filter anymore, so don't worry, you can keep these. Okay, if you take your 24mm inner thread connector, you'll need to put the white waterproof circle onto it, like so. I'll try and show you without hiding it. It might be a bit tough. You should now have something, that looks like this. So the waterproof circle is now attached onto the 24mm inner thread connector. This will help to stop leaking from your tap. Now first we'll take the silver metal connector and attach it to the faucet. Then we will take the white 24mm inner thread connector, which now has the waterproof circle around it, and we will put it underneath into the hole of your faucet or tap, like so. This is where the monkey wrench that came with your box comes into handy. It will help you to screw in the inner thread connector tightly into your faucet. So that's nice and secure now, and that inner thread connector will also hold the metal connector in place. Now you'll find you've only got your 2 pieces of the filter left to put on. So take this part and screw, tighten, join it to your silver metal connector, like so. All done. Make sure it's nicely in. And then the very last piece, which is, the main piece, the actual filter, you'll just take that, attach it to the other part, and just click it into place, like so. And now we're all done. So this is what your Spardar water filter will look like. Okay, so this is how it is when you turn it on. Now this is in its raw state, so all you have to do is turn the filter switch upwards and then you can move it across to the filter side and it will come out in its filtered state. And so you've still got two options. Now, we hope that you'll enjoy your Spardar water filter as much as we are and enjoying the quality of filtered water, which hopefully will save you on things such as buying lots of bottled water. And we hope this has helped also with how to fit it onto your tap if you have a British trade range faucet or tap. If this has been helpful, please kindly leave a comment and thank you very much for watching.